Remember, all the so-called competition, those folks, none of them can afford to cut price on EVs. They have to try to sell EVs for as expensive as possible. And the reason being essentially is all those companies don't have the margins going into the situation to support that. So Tesla does. They're the only auto manufacturer in the world that has the sort of margins that they can go ahead and cut and make a massive price cut, make volume and demand go crazy. The other ones just can't fight that. If the other ones cut margin, they're going to lose way more money. All these other auto manufacturers basically lose money selling EVs. So if they were to cut price even more to try to be competitive with Tesla, they're going to lose fortunes of money. And remember, their investor bases, right? In terms of those traditional automakers, they're not there to try to grab some, long-term pie-in-the-sky thing that they view as, right? They're there to make the cash flow. They want Ford and GM and Volkswagen and Toyota and all these guys, cash flow. That's who their investor bases are. They're not growth investors. If they were growth investors, they wouldn't be in Ford stock, GM stock, or any of the other stocks. You know what stock they'd be in? Tesla. So that's the tough position that those companies, they're in a no-win situation. Even if they were to say, okay, we're going to sacrifice our entire business and start losing money, you know what's going to happen? All their investors are going to leave. And they already have a problem getting investors in those companies. They're in a literally no-win situation. Elon's got the whole industry right now by the you-know-what, and he's just grabbing it tighter.